Today we are going to do an unboxing of GAF Royal Sovereign. I believe the color is weathered gray. Got the tags, GAF Royal Sovereign, barcode, and then weathered gray. Big fat arrow there. Can you see that on the feet? Yep, big fat arrow. See that on the cellophane tape on every GAF product you find. You also see very clear, look at that hole. Well, you're going to see clear writing on this cellophane tape. Here we have the RLS identified GAF Royal Sovereign weathered gray shingle. We will look at the back to identify. This is from the exact bundle that we used for an unboxing. It's 3 Standish Road. Once again, laying a shingle out, and you can see not the same shingle. Kind of looks the same, but it's not. Kind of looks close, kind of, but it's not. It's not the same. It's different. Looking at the shingle, it's clearly not the same shingle. That is a GAF Royal Sovereign weathered gray. I think we've identified a source of some of the confusion with the RLS. Notice we have the GAF Royal Sovereign weathered gray here, and you notice the shingles there that were used, actually a pretty good match for here. Blends in pretty well. You can see it here, and that's actually a pretty good fit. But you can see it's a pretty stark difference between what's actually on the roof and the weathered gray. Pretty close connection here. What we did was we put 3 shingles just stacked there, and actually folded that one over so you could get the full effect of just 3 rows of shingles. Now obviously you're not going to line the keyways up, but just so you can kind of see the coloring going across there is pretty even and consistent, as you can see here, right? Here to there to there to there to there. And you lose it, right, in the shingle over there. That's the laminate section. So I don't know if the RLS was looking at the laminate or what, but or if they just couldn't find what was actually on there and they guessed, as sometimes happens. But what we have here is a case of getting a good color match for the wrong part of the roof. I think the RLS somehow picked up the laminate shingle instead of the 3-tab shingle. You can see it kind of looks the same, and I laid them out on the ridge there. You get a picture of this, but yeah, you can see the problem. I think the RLS tried to identify the color of the laminate, which is weathered gray, and the composition of the 3-tab,